yourself. The only thing that I see that is distinctly different about me is I'm not afraid to die on a treadmill, right? I will run.
You would not be outworked.
I will not be outworked,
right?
Period. You might have more talent than me. You might be smarter than me. You might be sexier than me. But if we get on the treadmill together, right? There's two things. You're getting off first, or I'm gonna die. It's really that simple. It's such a simple, basic concept. It's the guy who is willing to hustle the most is going to be the guy that just gets that loose ball. It's like the commodity that I see the majority of people who aren't getting the places they want or aren't achieving the things that they want in this business is strictly based on hustle. It's strictly based on being outworked. It's strictly based on missing crucial opportunities. I say all the time, if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready.
I'm with you.
All self-made millionaires create their wealth by a carefully orchestrated process. Wealth is a process, not an event. It is a process. It is a process. So think process, not event. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to bake a cake, and you look at someone, a master chef, and he bakes this beautiful, delicious cake, and you taste it. Oh, this is so great. This is awesome. How do you do it? Does he have a process, yes or no? And if he follows the process, uses the same ingredient, the right amount every time, is he gonna have the same event, yes or no? So your job is not to look at a cake, oh, I can never make a cake like that. Or I don't even like cake anyway. You look at that and you're like, well, how do you do it? Show me the process. Where do you buy the ingredients? From what store? How much you buy? How much in the cup? How much water? What are some of the mistakes? What are some of the things I have to watch out for? You get the process? So if the master chef show you step by step, here's my process, could you make the cake? Yes. Maybe. Maybe. But if he shows you again and you make it, it's like not quite, you add a bit too much sugar. Do this and make adjustment. You do it again and again and again and you practice. Can you make the cake? With enough practice, yes? Yes. Same thing with wealth. So process makes millionaires. Process makes what? Millionaires. Events are byproducts of process. If you try to skip the process, you'll never experience events. If you try to skip the process, you'll never experience events. That's also why all these get-rich-quick business opportunities bullshit don't work. Because you're expecting, you know what, just join my thing, don't lift a finger, I've got this magical system, you'll make money like that with a click of a button. You believe in that shit, you got a problem.